Magandang gabi mga kakweba. Ang ipakikita ko sa inyo ngayon is unboxing and installation ng bagong bili kong processor. Ito pala yung processor, guys. This is Intel Core 2 Quad. This will really turbocharge my processor. And the other one is this one. The Ice Edge Mini F2 version 2.0 CPU cooler. So we will be installing both of them para naman na medyo bumilis naman yung computer ko.
By the way guys, ito pala yung Intel Core 2 Quad Processor Q9500. So this is a legacy Intel Core processor, meaning luma na to and it was already discontinued as of 2010. If you look at the performance specifications, meron siyang 4 na cores at 4 na threads, which makes it capable of handling multiple tasks at the same time. Also, the processor base frequency, the cache, the bus speed, and the thermal design power. So, medyo magastos siya sa kuryente. If you look at the socket, LGA775, this is the same socket that is supported by my motherboard. For the case or yung maximum temperature niya, this is 71.4 degrees Celsius. So anything that goes beyond this temperature, it will cause the processor to slow down or it will crash. On the other hand, ito pala yung Ice Edge Mini FS version 2.0. Nabili ko to sa Lazada. Ang kagandahan nito is that it's supported Intel and AMD processor. Nabili ko siya for only 380 pesos, so that excluding shipping, and as of now it's out of stock kasi maraming bumibili nito. And if you look at the rating naman, 4.8/5. So it has a lot of positive reviews from those people who bought this CPU cooler. Ito pala yung Intel Core 2 Quad na nabili ko sa Lazada din for 1,000 pesos. I think nabili ko to like a surplus. If you look at the ratings, okay naman. Although there are 2 people who rated it with 2 or 1 stars. Pero that's okay. Pero I actually watched it on YouTube and marami namang gumagamit ng processors na to until now.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon is bubuksan natin tong processor. Naka-box pala siya from China. Okay, so it's through Lazada. And there. Ayan. May palibre pang thermal compound. Good, that's good. Bubble wrap. Okay. Wait. Kinakausap ko yung anak ko. Sorry. So, ito. Okay, sorry. Ouch. Sorry, wala namang yung wala kaso yun. Okay. So, ito pala yun, guys. Ipupus natin, ha. So, ito pala yung Intel Core 2 Quad Q9500. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Lazada. Okay?
#Lazada.
So, ililink ko na lang sa description yung link sa processor na to. Ito built-in. Ito yung default na cooler ng motherboard. So, bali yung CPU cooler kasi, ito yung component ng motherboard that keeps the CPU cool. Alright? Remember that the CPU is the heart of the computer and it performs different functions. So, while it performs different functions, it produces heat. Okay? So, madali siyang uminit. So, kailangan meron siyang tinatawag na cooler para hindi masira yung processor natin or CPU. Ayan. So, tatanggalin ko na siya ngayon. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, you need to remove this guy.
That little guy.
Little guy. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan. So as you can see, medyo basa pa yung thermal paste natin.
Yeah.
So we need to,
It looks very, very
clean it up.
wet.
kasi nga we're going
It
to
looks as
install
wet
yung
as the
So-
ocean.
So tip ko lang sa mga nagbabalak na mag-install ng bagong processor or gusto nilang linisin yung cooling system ng computer nila, be sure to put a fresh thermal paste. Okay? Each time na tatanggalin at babaklasin niyo yung cooler ninyo. So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Ayan.
Hashtag
So, medyo
puns.
malinis na yung ating ano. So, after which, you need to take it out. Ayan.
Okay. Oh,
Ayan. So, kuha ko na
taking
yung
out.
existing na processor natin. So, we are now
Okay.
ready to so we are now ready to
Change the processor.
change the processor. So, ikakabit na natin yung bagong processor. So, be sure that when you kabit the processor, dapat yung ganito nakaharap dito. Dito.
The thingamabobber
And dapat yung mga ganito niya should teka.
be on the green thing part should be on the
Yes.
thing.
Sorry.
Yes, sirree.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yes, sirree.
Ayan. Be careful.
Careful,
Ayan.
guys.
Ayan na siya, guys.
Be careful, guys. Okay, when you're doing this, be careful. Okay. Now
Ayan.
that
Ito
thing.
yung thermal paste.
Thermal paste.
Yes.
But thermal paste, that's... Is it
Ito yan.
step 2? Oh, it's step 3.
Yes.
It's step 3
So,
to
ayan na
doing
siya.
this, guys.
Ayan.
It is step
Konti lang. Okay.
3. Hindi na may gamit ang katong singama. Ang kani?
Anya
Ang
na. Anya na.
cooler.
Anya na. Check sa nato ang kuan.
If it's gonna stick.
Yeah.
So, is that one okay? So, what's the next step?
Wait. We're still reinstalling the cooler.
Okay.
Just
So we're
hang
installing
on na.
the cooler.
Ayan.
Cooler.
Okay, so na-install na natin yung
Cool.
cooler. So ayan, nabalik na natin yung CPU. Let's see if it works. Okay.
Okay.
Titingnan natin in a few moments.
In a few moments.
Ayan. Nag-work na siya, guys.
Faster. Definitely faster. Faster than usual.
Ayan.
At least maybe it's not faster than usual. I'm not sure.
Ayan. Oh, nag-start na siya. Oh.
Okay. looks
So ayan, the computer is already fully booted up. Okay, tignan natin para ma-check natin kung detected ba yung processor natin.
okay.
Bakit dual core pa rin?
Why is
Bakit dual core pa rin yung ano ko? Bakit dual core pa rin yung ano ko?
Every day, wake up, smoke weed every day, wake up.
お前はもう死んでいる。何